machine-based encryption system, it's roughly equivalent to an Enigma, but it's different. They called it their cipher machine type A. Here it is. Our U.S. Army gave it a project name of Red. They were going to cover name what they worked on with after colors. From 1935 until 1936, the Army analysts were intercepting and analyzing messages produced on this machine. After a year of this, they were able to express mathematically how that worked. Once they had it in math form, then they could build some analogs. They actually built two analogs. The first one was this little plastic device right there. The second was a full mechanical analog. They solved the math, built that box, never saw the original equipment originally. In 1938, though, Japan introduced a new, much more complicated device, which they called their cipher machine type B. Our U.S. Army gave it a cover name of Purple, another color. Frank Rowlett led the team of mathematicians and analysts who were intercepting messages produced on Purple, writing down rules of behavior. It took them 2 whole years of intercept and analysis, 70, 80-hour week kind of time, before they could once again express mathematically how it worked. Once they had it in math form, they got their staff engineer pictured there, Leo Rosen. He was an MIT engineer on active duty with the Army, and he built the analog you can see right there. Now, again, solved the math, built the box, never saw the machine. We have a little piece of purple up there in the corner. We did not get that until they entered Berlin at the end of the war, and this was solved in 40. But a different thing you will notice about it is this is not using wired rotors like Enigma. It's using these stepping switches. In fact, here is a 3rd generation Japanese system that was then going to be used by their military, and you can see it better here. These stepping switches are identical to the ones we used in our telephone, rotary dial telephone days to switch telephone calls. So they were readily available. In fact, Leo Rosen built his analog. I don't think he knew for sure that that's what the Japanese were using. Only would it work, and you could get by them by the thousands without any trouble, rather than custom making something. In 1944,